To add your debit card to Remitly, start by logging into the Remitly app or website. You'll see the main interface where you can send money internationally. Navigate to the Payment Methods or Wallet section in your account settings. This is where you'll manage all your payment options. Select the Add Debit Card option to begin entering your card information. You'll need to enter your card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date in month-year format, CVV security code, cardholder name, and billing address. Remitly supports Visa and MasterCard debit cards, as well as some regional payment networks depending on your location. After entering your card details, Remitly will verify your card using several methods. This may include a small microtransaction that's immediately refunded, bank authentication, SMS verification codes, or document upload for manual review. Remitly has implemented enhanced security measures, including advanced 3D secure authentication, real-time fraud detection using machine learning, biometric verification options, and enhanced Know Your Customer protocols. Once your debit card is successfully verified, you can use it to send money through Remitly with confidence, knowing your transactions are protected by multiple layers of security. When you need to remove a debit card from your Remitly account, the process involves 4 simple steps. First, access your payment settings through the app or website. Next, select the specific card you wish to remove from your list of payment methods. Then confirm the removal action, which will require you to enter your password or PIN for security verification. There are several important considerations when removing a debit card. You cannot remove a card if there are pending transactions associated with it, as shown in this example transaction screen. If the card you're removing is your primary payment method, you must first add and verify another card to replace it. This ensures you always have a valid payment method available. Remember that removing a card is permanent. If you want to use the same card again in the future, you'll need to re-add it and complete the entire verification process again. Once you remove a card, Remitly automatically cleans up all stored data associated with that payment method within 24 hours for your security and privacy. Remitly employs multiple layers of security to protect your payment information. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra verification step to ensure only you can access your account. End-to-end encryption protects your data as it travels between your device and Remitly's servers, ensuring your payment information remains secure throughout the entire process. Data tokenization replaces your actual card numbers with secure tokens, so your real payment information is never stored or transmitted in its original form. These comprehensive security measures ensure that whether you're adding, using, or removing payment methods, your financial information remains protected at all times.